that what you wanted?
Uh-huh. What I wanted.
Oh, you put stuff in the skeleton? So there was a skeleton in there, huh? That's scary. Let's count the money.
Okay, let's dump it on.
Yeah.
Let's dump it on.
Okay, so let's find all the different kinds that look alike. So there are kinds that look like this. I think these are pennies. This is the dime. This is a quarter. And this is a nickel.
Look, Dad.
So, yeah. Let's put all the ones that look like this together. All the ones that look like this together. These can go together. Which one does that look like? Does that go right here?
No. Put it in my pile, Dad.
Okay.
Put all the big ones in this pile. And all the little ones in that pile. That's just right.
Just right, huh?
Dad, do you know that I got this?
You want to eat it?
Okay.
Alright, I guess so, huh?
Let's go out.
Look at all the money that you got. That's booty.
Huh?
That's called booty. All the money and stuff. You want to put it back in your treasure box?
This is a bar. Right?
Yeah. Had a bar in there. It was all the things that you like. Especially this.
I wanted those.
Yeah. What are you going to do with these? Oh, you can lock your door?
I will get my keys.
All right.
My mom didn't know that I was going to get some keys.
Yeah.
We got 2 maps.
2 maps.
Huh?
Wonder where they are.
Huh?
Is the map in your pocket? You could leave it outside. There's one there. I'll bet the other one is in my coat pocket.